Hello everybody. Today I thought I'd give you something a little better to look at than me. So you got this stuff here and the lighthouse over there. So what I'm going to try to do is give you a little bit of run time on the Xinlehong q901 and the GPtoys s920. A little bit of ocean time, a little bit of beach time, a little bit of sand, and unfortunately a little bit of water time in salt water. It's not a good idea, but it'll be okay. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, we're out here on the Pacific coast of Oregon today, and I'm going to try to run a couple of cars, and I have absolutely no idea if I'm going to have any audio. So I'm standing with my wind to my back right this minute. And what I've got is a Judge S920 and the Q901. The 901 is brushless, and it's a, I think it's supposed to be a 1/12 scale, not positive, but I'm not sure that it is. And that's the S920. And here's the controllers for the two cars. They look pretty much identical as far as the layout, just a different badge on the two of them. So if I get any audio on this, great, we'll see what happens. This one is IPS6 waterproof, and I don't think this one is listed as waterproof, and I'm not going to test either one of them today. I am going to try to turn on my GoPro though, see if I can get some footage with that, wearing it on my head. So between the GoPro and the Insta360 I'm hoping I get some footage, and my wife may grab a little bit of video for me as well. We'll give it a go. Edit out the really stupid parts, maybe. Okay, so I think we'll go with this one first, just because. And here we go. And it's not a real fast truck, but it handles good and it's pretty peppy from the start. Yeah, let's see if I can get a little slow motion time. And I said I wasn't going to run it in the water, but I almost did. And I forget the GoPro's on my head, so I don't know how much video I'm going to get with the GoPro because I forget to turn my head. Come around this side and let the 360 have a little fun. Okay, I think we'll run the other truck for a minute. We will turn this one off and run the other one for a minute. Give this one a chance to rest. Let's see if the motor's hot. You know what? I can feel that it's been on, but it's not what I would call hot. It just enough that I can tell it's been on. And I can get my finger in here to turn this off, although it's a little difficult, and I almost want to say that it's got a little bit of dirt in there. Now, that was running on 2S, the factory battery. This one, I'm running on 3S, which is not the factory battery. And I know it's also got a little bit of sand in the switch. I'll see if I can get some slow-mo right off the bat here. I'm going to turn my camera too because I bumped it. Okay, we'll try some more slow motion. Well, I said I wasn't going to put it in the water, but I guess we'll find out if it's waterproof or not this way. Shouldn't have hit it with the wave because it washed the sand out from underneath the wheels. Since this is salt water, I really didn't want to do that. Oops, I guess that's a log. Hey everybody, I hate to interrupt the video, but as most of you know that have been following me, I've had terrible problems with my audio, and I think maybe I've got it resolved, and I thought maybe this might help some other people. I bought a Tascam DR07x, and I'm running a lav mic with it, and so since it's very windy, I'm going to show you an audio clip from the Tascam, an audio clip from the Insta360, and an audio clip from the GoPro, and I'm going to play the same 3 clips. I cut, it's a 4.5 second, 4.25 second clip, and I'm just going to clone it and play the audio from each of the different devices for you so you can see the difference. So anybody that's learning, really hate to screw this video up with this for everybody else, but for people like me that are just getting started, this might help somebody. I'm facing into the wind, so if there's too much wind noise, I'll take this out. I'm facing into the wind, so if there's too much wind noise, I'll take this out. Either got the motor hot or got out of range, or that controller is not as good as this one. Let's see if it'll connect to this one. It's absolutely covered. Oh gosh. It's all, man, this thing weighs about 3 times what it normally weighs. It is completely filled with sand. And I don't know if the GoPro can see it. These little ports right here, completely packed with sand. And it does, it weighs at least, and there's nothing under the body. I don't know if the 360 can pick it up. Those are completely packed up. And since it's already been in the ocean, I'll see if I can rinse some of this out. Man, this is really soft. Well, that'll either fix it or finish breaking it, I'm guessing. Since this is salt water. And I can feel hot water coming out of it. So I got a lot of sand up in there. Well, it won't pair with its own controller unless I got the two mixed up. Let's see if I can cycle it once. I don't know, maybe I got the controllers mixed up. Anyway, I will rinse it out with fresh water. Let's see if I can get it to connect with this one. Well, the servo's toast. Yeah, servo's toast, or got dirt in it and it's stuck, I don't know. But we're done running this one. Okay, I'm not going to do very much with this today. I just wanted to show you that it wasn't dead. I rinsed it out with a little salt water. And I rinsed it out with a little fresh water. But the servo's just fine. Everything's working good. But I will tell you, the shocks don't like salt water at all. And I don't recommend running it in salt water. I didn't mean to run it in salt water. Just got away from me. But there's rust on the, I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. There's rust on the shocks. So I was going to replace those anyway with something that'll hold oil. Or I'll clean these up and see if I can seal them. You know, give me something to do. Anyway, that's all I wanted. Didn't want to leave everybody hanging. The truck's not dead. It survived the salt water, survived me, and it will live to run another day.